Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to give you the ultimate guide to connecting and syncing your smartwatch to your Android phone. To start this tutorial, I recommend that if you already know which app it is and have it installed, please uninstall it and reinstall it so you can follow this step-by-step guide with me. Finding the app. If you don't know the app, look for a QR code on your smartwatch, usually found in the main menu or settings. Scan it with a scanner app or your phone's camera. This will take you to a download page. Choose the Play Store to download the application. App permissions. Once downloaded, don't open it yet. First, make sure your Bluetooth and GPS/location are turned on. Then, long press the app icon until a menu appears. Select App Info, then Permissions. Here, enable Location, Nearby Devices, and Camera or Gallery. First log in. After granting permissions, open the app and accept the terms of use. If it asks you to create an account, look for a Login as Guest option to speed up the process. It may also ask for personal stats like height, weight, and age to complete the sync. Pairing the device. Once configured, look for the Me or Profile tab and find the Connect/Link Device option. A list of available devices will appear. If you're unsure of your watch's name, check the About or Info section in your watch settings for its name and ID code. Troubleshooting. If your watch doesn't appear in the list, I recommend restarting it or performing a factory reset from the watch menu. Once it restarts, repeat the pairing process. Enabling notifications. Now, let's activate notifications. Look for an option like Messages, Notifications, or Remote Control. You might need to enable notification access in your phone's settings. Select Allow for your app, like FitPro. Then, go back to the app and toggle on the social media apps you need. Custom watch face. Look for Dial, Watch Face, or Wallpaper settings. Choose the Custom option. Go to Select Image and pick a photo from your gallery. Important: make sure your watch is fully charged before transferring the image to prevent it from turning off, which could damage the device. If this video was helpful, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and comment. Best regards, and see you in the next video.